A 10-minute video, 2 minutes to extract every idea, every framework, every timestamp. That's not a flex. That's just what Claude Code does when you give it the right skill. I haven't manually watched the video in weeks, and I want to show you exactly why. Because the gap between people who use this and people who don't is getting wider every single day. There's a free skill on GitHub, one command to install, and by the end of this video, you'll have it running. So the watch skill gives Claude the ability to process any video, that could be YouTube or 1,000 other sites, without you even touching it. And I'm on GitHub, and this is a skill that's been created by Brad Automate. So shout out to Brad, a big fan of your channel. And he's built this skill by basically pulling in two things. The first is the frames, and the second is the transcript. So effectively, every video is just a sequence of frames. It's a fast slideshow. And this skill grabs one every few seconds. It synchronizes them with the exact timestamp, and feeds it all into Claude. And it does it with two tools. These are open source, they're completely free. The first one is YTDLP. The second one is FFmpeg. Now, you don't need to know what this does because it does all the heavy lifting under the hood. And the great thing is Claude will automatically install it when you run this skill. The only thing you need is a free Whisper API key, and you can get that from Grok. So the first step is to get Claude to install the skill. There's a couple of ways you can do that. The first is you can just grab the URL, paste it into Claude Code, and just ask it to install it. The other way is you can just grab this link here, or you can use the GitHub CLI. This is a little bit more advanced. Just grab the URL and install it inside of Claude. I'm back inside of Claude Code. I'm actually using this on the desktop, and the command is /watch. You paste in the video link, and then you just give it a quick prompt like, give me the lowdown. And honestly, within a couple of minutes, this is the actual lowdown for a 10.5-minute video from Charlie Munger about inversion. So he's talking about his bag of tricks. Story 1 here, where he talks about being a young lawyer and helping a client with a ranch and land deal. There's story 2 about a $10 billion financing deal. And by the way, I haven't actually watched this video. I don't have time because I'm always watching videos. I'm always researching, especially for this channel. So I need ideas, I need breakdown, and I'm going to use AI to do that for me. The second prompt I ask Claude Code is, now that you have this information about this video, how can I use that for my own business? And I'm a big fan of mental models. I absolutely love Charlie Munger, Rest in Paradise King, and he talks about inversion. So now Claude is actually applying his techniques for my own business. So build your own bag of tricks, force a 3D check on every expert recommendation that you get, match due diligence with questions that have actual difficulty, inventory your hammers, and all sorts of amazing knowledge bombs that Charlie dropped in this video. Claude is now helping me apply for my own business. So here's a quick rundown of exactly what you need to do. The first step is to copy any YouTube URL, or it could be any video on any platform. The second step is to run /watch inside of Claude Code, paste in the URL, and add a quick prompt. Step 3 is obviously just sit back. You can doom scroll, you can do whatever you want, because Claude will now process it in about 90 seconds. Under the hood, you've got YTDLP, which grabs the transcript and the video data. FFmpeg will then extract the frames every few seconds of that video. And then this skill will put the frames and the transcript sync together and ask Claude Code to process it. So you've got exact timestamps per word, per frame. And this is much more powerful than just getting the transcript and pasting it into Claude, because that misses all the nuances, right? It doesn't catch everything that's on the video, like the visual aspects, if they're using any diagrams. A transcript doesn't give you that. And what you get back is the chapter breakdowns with timestamps. You've got every concept mapped and extracted. It's queryable, so it's like a knowledge base. You can then talk to Claude and ask it any questions about that particular video, and it's reusable, so you can query the same video forever. So my life before this skill was I would actually watch a 45-minute video, but now after 2 minutes, it's free and it's done. And I've got everything I want to know about that video. I can query it, I can ask the questions, I have to sit back while I'm doing it. The skill is free on GitHub. There's a link in the description below. It's just one command to install. Claude handles the rest. If this saved you time, smash the like button, show me some love, because I'm the brown guy AI that drops absolute AI source, whether it's for somebody who wants to build an AI side hustle, an AI agency, or any other type of AI related business, or if you just want to stop AI from taking over your life, taking over your job, or anything else. If you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel and say with me, something magical is going to happen today, because this skill is magical. I'm saving you a ton of time, because let's be honest, time is money. And the more time I can save, the more time I can spend inside of my business, working for my clients, or spending more time with my students. Thank you so much if you made it this far, and I'll see you next time.